In StyleShoots Live, you can change the lighting quite dramatically with very few gestures on the iPad. So up in the corner of the live view, you'll notice that there's a little icon that looks kind of like the sun, and it fans out these 5 presets that you can easily change between, and it also shows you what the current status is. Here you also see there's a padlock in the middle, which is for me to be able to lock a preset so that I don't accidentally change it. So in this case, more or less all the light is just full on. So a fairly neutral, fairly flat look. If I go to the second one, you can see I've already set it to be dramatically different. Now only the front skylight is on and the leftmost strip light is full on. Everything else is off. You see it gives a much more three-dimensional look. If I go to the third one that I've made, you see the back wall is fully illuminated and the other strip light is fully on and the other one is only slightly on. That gives a different look again. And if I want to change any of that, it's very simple. I just use my finger to move things back and forth like this. Easy to turn things on and off. I can change the balance also by moving my finger more towards the top or towards the bottom within one of these zones. So just within seconds, I can change something, see it live, and save it in these presets. So that's Light Controller, and it's there for you to just play with and have creative freedom.